Start. It was lastly argued that the High Court erred in applying the judgment of this court in Jahur Ahmad Supra since it pertained to appointments to the post of technician third, which is relatable more to field jobs and restricted the consideration of ITI certificate holders for the said post to the exclusion of the diploma holders. In the present case, the relevant post is a higher post of JE Electrical, of which the promotional post is that of AE Electrical, also in Jahur Ahmad Supra. No expression viz minimum was used in the rules, and the same was mentioned in a note in the advertisement therein, which was interpreted by this court. It was lastly argued that it is not in dispute that the appointing authority cannot defy the rulers of makes appointments and or support a view contrary to the governing and applicable rules. However, in the present case, the applicable rules ought to be read meaningfully, purposively, and in a way that is not destructive of the entire scheme, and balance sought to be maintained in the rules, keeping in mind the needs of the post and the state as well as domiciles. It is submitted that the interpretation of the earlier rules and the 2020 rules in para 40 to 42 to the impugned order is destructive and does complete violence to the intent of the rule makers. On behalf of the contesting respondents, that is the diploma holders, Mr. Maninder Singh, Learned Senior Counsel, requested this court not to interfere with the well reasoned judgment of the High Court. It is submitted that the expression minimum is used with the academic qualification, that is matriculation, and not the essential technical qualification viz a diploma. A diploma in electrical engineering can be obtained after pursuing a 3 years course that should be preceded by a matriculation, or after completing a 2 years study after 10th standard in school. Therefore, a candidate to be eligible should have obtained a diploma after matriculation or after 10 plus 2. This clearly eliminated degree holders from the zone of eligibility. It was argued that the use of with between minimum matriculation and diploma operates as a disjunctive. It cannot be read with the word diploma. It is submitted that only diploma holders, such as the contesting respondents, could be considered for selection. Their selections were finalized on 2/9/2020, and the select list was prepared by the commission. Full stop.